Ever wish you could clear your Instagram search history and start fresh? Here's how to do it, step by step. First, open your Instagram app and navigate to your profile page. Once you're on your profile, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is your main menu. Tap on those 3 lines. A menu will slide out from the side. From this menu, find and tap on Settings. Inside Settings, you'll need to find the section related to your account and data. Look for an option that says Security. Once you're in the Security section, scroll down until you see an option that clearly states Clear Search History. This is the key option we're looking for. Tap on Clear Search History. Instagram will then ask you to confirm your decision. This action will completely remove all your past searches, preventing Instagram from suggesting them in the future. And that's it. Your Instagram search history is now cleared. You can now search for anything without any of your previous queries appearing as suggestions, ensuring a cleaner and more private browsing experience.